Hi, welcome to this video that shows you how to register for Purdue summer courses as a non-degree seeking student. First, I'm going to show you how you can look at the courses that will be offered. So if you go to purdue.edu/courses, it'll bring you to this page. Use the drop-down menu to select Summer 2016 and click Submit. It'll then take you to a page where you can select different departments or majors to see which courses they will be offering this summer. So for example, let's just say that we want to look at what economics courses will be offered. There's different options you can select here, such as campus and things like that, but let's just hit class search there, and here brings up a list of all the different courses that will be offered at the West Lafayette campus this summer. There's some information down here. It shows West Lafayette campus. This is a distance learning, which means it's an online course, 3 credits. Anyway, you can just scroll through here and see which courses are going to be offered. You can do that for any department or major that you want to do or are interested in taking classes. After that, you would want to then come to the Purdue admissions page. You can get here really by just going to, if you just type into Google Purdue admissions, it'll bring you in and you can click on this page. What you'll want to do when you're here is then scroll down. As a non-degree seeking student, you would be considered undergraduate, so then you'd come to this area here for undergraduate students and click Apply Now. And then it's going to talk to you a little bit about applying to Purdue, and click this link here for online application. And right here it kind of tells you that you're going to be 2 types of students. Are you going to be a future college freshman, which means you'll be coming to Purdue for the first time as a freshman, or are you transferring, or are you an other student? As a non-degree seeking student, you would be categorized as an other student. So click that orange box there. This page is where you can create a new account. You'll need to click on this link here as a new user page. Then it's going to ask you to create a login ID, which says it has to be a minimum of 6 alphanumeric characters. Create a PIN and then verify that. Once you submit that, click to log in. That'll notify the admissions office that you want to create a new user account. The admissions office will then contact you and tell you then what your Purdue ID number is. So you need a separate ID number to then later be able to log in and register for classes. So once you hear back from admissions and they say, great, here's your Purdue ID number, you'll want to log into what's called mypurdue.purdue.edu. When you enter it there, so this is my login information, I click login. So they'll give you a username and a Purdue University ID number. Then you can come right here up here to registration. And remember, you were here earlier before where you had looked at what classes you wanted to take, and so you identified, say this Econ 210 right here is one that you're really interested in. And so when you're here at your My Purdue account, you go to registration. You can go add or drop classes. Again, you'll want this to say Summer 2016. Click Submit. This you're going to have to type in 6 number 9s. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was the number 9 on the keyboard 6 times. That's just a pin that they require you to put in. So this is showing that I'm already registered for a few different courses here. But click Class Search, and similar to the first page that you saw where you looked at courses that were going to be offered on the West Lafayette campus, there's just all different departments here listed. And so let's go back to Econ. Let's see, Econ there. We were interested in Econ 210. As you see, Econ 210 right there. That's the kind of the CRN number, or the kind of the course number there. So if you need to get very specific, but we just saw that it's Econ 210. And so I'm going to click View Sections there. Say this one, so they're both online, they're distance learning. Say I want to take this one, I'll check that box there, and I'm going to click Register. It will then take you to your account, or just kind of back to your home page there. where it'll show you then, like I said, I've registered for these courses, so once that goes through, it will show you that you have registered for that Econ 210 video. Okay? Now, if you're interested in seeing how much these classes are going to cost you here at Purdue, the answer is that it's going to depend on how many credit hours you want to take. So here at this website, and you can get there by going to purdue.edu/bursar, and bring you to this page here, and if you click on tuition and fees on this drop down menu and click tuition and fee rates, now you're going to need to select the appropriate year. We're in 2016-2017, so click that. Now there's going to be two pages that you want to look for. Now if you're going to be taking just any credits below 6, so 1 to 5 credit hours in the summer, you'll want to look at this. This here shows you how much it's going to cost you as a resident, non-resident, or international student. This other page here, if you are going to take between 6 and 9 credit hours on the Purdue campus during the summer, there's a flat rate once you hit 6 credit hours, and so between 6 and 9 it costs you the same. As you can see, there's again the totals here for the different residencies. So if you follow those steps, you should be able to create a new user account, kind of a temporary user account since you're a non-degree seeking student. But then that'll allow you to both see the classes that are going to be offered at Purdue this summer, as well as register for them. And then obviously, as I showed you here, you can see the tuition and fees rates, so you can plan on how much that might cost you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Think Summer office. You can do that by sending an email to thinksummer@purdue.edu, or you can call 765-496-2023. Thanks.